Welcome to a journey through the heart of Nepal, where nature and culture intertwine in the vibrant petals of the rhododendron. This isn't just a flower, it's a symbol, a tradition, and a lifeline for many. Let's explore the power of the rhododendron. Take a moment to appreciate the mesmerizing beauty of the rhododendron. From fiery reds to soft pinks and brilliant whites, these blossoms paint the Nepalese landscapes in breathtaking hues. Found in lush gardens, dense forests, and even at the foothills of towering mountains, the rhododendron is nature's masterpiece. With over 30 species found in Nepal, the rhododendron isn't just a flower, it's an icon of the country's rich biodiversity and natural splendor. Beyond its beauty, the rhododendron holds deep cultural and symbolic meaning. In Nepalese traditions, it represents resilience, strength, and unity. It's even the national flower of Nepal, woven into the very fabric of the nation's identity. Nepalese folklore is filled with stories of the rhododendron. Some say it symbolizes the courage of warriors, while others believe it brings good fortune. Whether in literature, poetry, or everyday life, this flower holds a special place in the hearts of the people. Did you know that rhododendrons are more than just beautiful flowers? In Nepalese tradition, their petals are used to make herbal teas and medicinal remedies. Some species are even edible, adding flavor to local dishes. But their importance goes beyond human use. Rhododendrons help sustain the ecosystem by providing nectar for bees and shelter for birds. They play a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity. The rhododendron's charm isn't limited to Nepal. Across the world, these flowers are admired in botanical gardens and landscapes, from the Himalayas to Europe, North America, and beyond. With thousands of varieties, rhododendrons are cherished by gardeners and nature lovers everywhere. Every year, rhododendron enthusiasts gather at exhibitions and festivals to celebrate this extraordinary flower. Its ability to thrive in diverse climates makes it a global favorite. But this beautiful flower faces growing threats. Climate change, habitat destruction, and over-harvesting endanger rhododendron populations. Without action, we risk losing not just a flower but an irreplaceable part of our natural and cultural heritage. You can help. Support conservation programs, plant rhododendrons responsibly, and spread awareness about their significance. Organizations worldwide are working to protect these flowers. Together, we can make a difference. The rhododendron is more than a flower. It's a symbol of Nepal, a gift from nature, and a call for us to cherish and protect our world. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the wonders of nature.